Ever wondered if your Tesla can spontaneously decide to shut off in the middle of nowhere? Or maybe you've heard rumors about it draining its battery unexpectedly. Well, let's dive into the world of Tesla Auto Shutdown. Tesla, the electric vehicle giant, has revolutionized the automotive industry with its sleek designs, impressive range, and advanced technology. But with great power comes great questions, right? One of the most common queries we get is, does a Tesla actually turn itself off? Let's break it down. First off, we need to understand how Tesla's power management system works. Unlike traditional cars with internal combustion engines, Teslas have a complex battery system that requires careful monitoring and optimization. The car's computer brain is constantly calculating energy usage, remaining range, and external factors like temperature to ensure optimal performance. So, can your Tesla just randomly shut down? The short answer is, not really. Tesla has implemented several safeguards to prevent this from happening. The car's computer will always prioritize essential functions like steering, braking, and climate control, even if the battery is low. However, there are certain scenarios where your Tesla might reduce power or go into a low power mode. One common situation is extreme cold weather. Cold temperatures can significantly impact battery performance, reducing its capacity and charging speed. To preserve battery life and ensure safe operation, the car might limit power output or even suggest charging to maintain optimal conditions. Another factor is rapid acceleration or high-speed driving. Pushing your Tesla to its limits can drain the battery quickly. To prevent unexpected shutdowns, the car might throttle back performance to manage energy consumption. This is similar to how a traditional car might limit power when it's low on fuel. Now, let's talk about range anxiety. It's a real thing, and Tesla knows that. The car's computer constantly calculates your remaining range based on various factors like driving style, terrain, and climate. If the system predicts that you might not reach your destination with the current battery level, it will give you ample warnings. You'll see clear indicators on the touchscreen, and the car might even suggest finding a charging station. But what about those rare cases where a Tesla unexpectedly loses power? Well, just like any other vehicle, there can be unforeseen circumstances. A severe battery failure, a critical software glitch, or even a physical damage to the car could potentially lead to a complete shutdown. However, these incidents are extremely rare, and Tesla has robust quality control measures in place to minimize such occurrences. So, to sum it up, Teslas are designed to be incredibly reliable and intelligent vehicles. While they might reduce power or go into low power modes under certain conditions, they won't randomly shut off without warning. The car's computer is constantly monitoring the situation and taking steps to ensure your safety and driving experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.